There's no line. It's like a gun, right?
Right.
There has to be this line here,
Right.
right? And release. At that point, it's going to come this way because you pull that way. Yeah, and stay right. If you bend, the energy is there.
Okay.
It has to be right on here.
Okay.
You feel that here?
Yeah.
Do not do anything.
Right.
Only yank the foot back.
Right.
But if you imagine, could do it again. You feel that?
Right.
If there is a wall, it cannot go back. Right now, you feel it went back.
Right.
If it does not go back.
Right.
So now, watch. It's here.
Right.
You learn it through here.
Right.
Okay? Bend it.
Right.
No, bend it. Don't worry about it. No, stay there. Don't come forward. Just relax. When you relax, this is firm. Okay? Right. Hold here and here. So this is inside the slot. It cannot move.
Right.
So you don't have to worry because that cannot move. Okay? Can you see it cannot move?
Right.
But moving here, it goes on to that center. Feel that here?
Yep.
Relax.
Yeah.
Yeah. At this point, firm, no power, firm, and kick back. Yeah. And that's the shock. Here. Touch. Here. And see this line. Right. If we go like this, it's
Right.
But can you see here?
Yep. Yeah.
Touch the back here. And here. That's one dot. Yeah. Pin it harder.
Okay.
And here, same thing.
Same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
You feel this?
Yeah. Yep. Again, it's a pumping action. It's a pump.
One dot here. One dot here. Here. Yeah, stronger. You feel it, okay? So look at my knee. Feel those two dots.
Yes.
Not like this.
Right.
Try it. So you guys come and try it.
Good. Come and feel it. Good. Come and feel.
Yeah, sure.
Here?
No. One dot here.
Yeah.
One dot here.
Yeah.
One dot. Yeah, strong. Feel that? Can you feel that?
Yeah. Big separation.